So I did get the shield out and the fan, and I noticed on here you have a clip here, another little spot right there, and another clip, so you can remove this bottom piece here. So that could help be good to know to put that fan back in place to screw it in. I did end up pulling this hose. I did lose about 1 cup of antifreeze, maybe less, but not too much. And I put it back on for now, because with that pulled, I was able to get it up through holding on the fan and the shield. So I brushed that off, had some dirt on it. Now, so I did put some penetrating oil, WD-40, on each of the nuts, and I loosened this up. Had to loosen this up before this would come loose to loosen up the belt. So I'm ready to take the first belt off. This one goes around this is the one that moves to tighten it, around the big one and the big one here on the right. Sorry, I'm not a mechanic, so I don't know. I don't have the names down of what everything is. So I'm going to pull this belt off, and then I'll figure out how to loosen the next one, which I think is right over. Actually, I think it's that one right there, which is the nut is right here. So I'll loosen that up, try to loosen that up, and that should get me the next belt. And then the third one, I don't know yet. So let's get them off, and then we'll go from there.